Hi, this is a solution for worksheet 10.2, looking at number 10. So here we're asked to find the sum of the arithmetic series. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the formula for the sum of an arithmetic sequence, or series, which is n times a1 plus an over 2. So for this, I need three things to go in this formula. I need to know how many terms I'm adding up. I need to know what the first term is, and I need to know what the second term is. So right away, it's easy to see from this what the first and last terms are. So that's going to be my value for a1, which is 11, and an, which is 1061 over 2. What I don't know, though, is what term number 1061 is. So to do that, to figure out what that is, I'm going to think about the sequence like this. So I know this is an arithmetic sequence. One, because it tells me that we're looking at an arithmetic series. And second, because I can see that each of the terms in this sequence is increasing by a factor of 5. So I know that the common difference there is 5. So what I can do now is I can write a formula for my arithmetic sequence by using this formula for an arithmetic sequence, not a series. So the first term we know is 11, and we know the d is 5. So my formula for my arithmetic sequence, when I distribute the 5 through and I combine some like terms, is 5n plus 6. So what I can do with that is I can use the 1061 as my an, and I can use that now to solve for n. So when I subtract 6 from both sides, I get that 5n is equal to 1055. When I divide both sides by 5, I get n is 211. And I'm pretty confident that that's right. Remember that these values for n have to be whole numbers. So if you get a fraction there, you definitely know that you've made a mistake. Or if you get a decimal value for n, you know you've made a mistake. Or you get a negative number, you know you've made a mistake. The n's have to be positive and they have to be whole numbers. So that was the last thing I needed. So I'm just going to put 211 in. And then I'm just going to type this into my calculator. Get out of there. So do the fraction command. I'll do 211 times 11 plus 1061 over 2. And when I do that, I get 113,096. And that's it.